Hi and welcome to my new video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on the Gshock GM 2100. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode when the watch basically tells the time, press and hold the upper left button, that is the adjust button, until you hear the beep. So let's go. Press and hold. And you heard the beep and you have Paris written over here. The hands are moving out of the way so you have better access to your screen. Let me zoom in this for you because these negative displays are hard to catch on the camera. So you have your time zone showing over here. This is the first in a row of settings. You can press the light or start button to shuffle your time zone up or down until you get to your time zone. My time zone is Paris time zone, so I'm gonna get it to Paris time zone. Once I have set that, I'm gonna press the mode button and we are now in the position of setting our daylight saving time mode. As you can see, the DST over here is flashing and it says it's off. To shuffle between on or off, press this button over here, that is the start button. I'm gonna leave it at on because in my country currently the DST is turned on. Next up, press the mode button once again and you enter the 12 or 24-hour time format setting. To shuffle between 12 or 24-hour time format, press the start button and as you can see I'm shuffling between those two modes simply by pressing the start button. I'm gonna leave it at 24-hour time format. Press the mode button once again and now you are in the position of setting your seconds value. You cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value simply by pressing the start button over here and it will reset to 0. Once you're done, simply press the mode button once again and now you are in the position of setting your hour value. As you can see, 18 is flashing, but I can move it up or down or increase or decrease it by pressing the light or start button. So as you can see, I'm moving it up or down and the watch is following my actions. I'm gonna leave it at 18 o'clock because it is 18 o'clock. Next up, press the mode button once again and now you are in the minutes setting. Procedure is the same. Pressing the light or start button will shuffle minutes up or down. In this case, it is 18 o'clock and 53 minutes in my time zone, so I'm not gonna do adjustments, but you get the principle. So pressing the light or start button will shuffle the value of minutes up or down. Once you're done with that, press the mode button once again, and now you're in the year setting value. It is year 2022, but just in case if I wanna move it up or down, again, I'm gonna press the light button or start button to increase or decrease that value. Once I have set my year value, I'm gonna press the mode button once again over here. And you are now in the position of setting your month value. As you can see, the number 6 is flashing. 6 stands for June and it is correct. But just in case you wanna set it, you have your light again and start button to move it up or down. I'm gonna leave it at number 6 because it is June. Next up, press the mode button once again and now you are in the position of setting your day value. As you can see, number 8 is flashing and it is June the 8th, but you can move it up or down again by pressing the light button or start button over here. So decrease or increase that value. I'm gonna leave it at number 8, so June the 8th. Next up, press the mode button and you are now in the button operation tone setting. As you can see, key is flashing, which indicates that button operation tone is turned on, but when I press the start button, I can mute it. So pressing the start button shuffles between on or off for the button operation tone. I'm gonna leave it at on when it says it's key. Next up, press the mode button once again and you have your illumination duration settings. When it says number 1, it means that when I press the light button, the light on this watch will stay lit on for 1.5 seconds. But pressing the start button once, it will move to number 3, which indicates that when I press the light button, the light will stay on the watch face for 3 seconds. So basically you are shuffling between 1.5 and or 3 seconds illumination duration. I'm gonna leave it at 1.5 seconds, and that is done by when I leave the number 1 on this lower sub dial. Again, press the mode button once you're done with that, and you are basically back to the beginning, and you have your time zone flashing over here. So that means that we have run through the cycle of setting our time and date on this watch. To implement those settings, simply press the adjust button once, and the watch will implement those settings and it will show the correct time and date. That was another video. Thank you very much for watching.